Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert a transparent background color to a PDF file using PDF element. Open your PDF file. Now select edit option. Here you will find this background option. Click here and select add background and select color option. First I will add a background, this background color, and this is color opacity option. Now you can change color transparency. See this. Also I'll add this color and this transparency. Yeah, and finally select apply. As in this transparent background color now added. Finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.